People are making money in the stock market.
Yeah, people in the stock market they are surprising me with how they are making a lot of
especially
money.
these people who are actually in the house all the time.
Yeah.
And then you just find there are 5 Mercedes Benz and they are living in a very posh house.
And they don't leave the
and
house.
they never leave the house. You wonder, what are these people doing?
You're just like, I have a job and I don't have a Mercedes, and you don't have a job and you have 5. So what is happening?
So all this time, you guys want to tell us you have been in the stock market and the stock market is making a lot of money and we have not been informed.
Come on, they are not telling us.
Anyway, now because they didn't tell us, now we're going to tell other people so that now they know. So Chatgpt has revolutionized stock market in very various ways, and everyone is happy because Chatgpt has come.
And the good thing about Chatgpt is that it's favoring everyone in the stock market, in the cryptocurrencies, bitcoins, and even in normal businesses.
So today I want us to talk about how do you use Chatgpt in the stock market. My name is Emma.
And my name is Patrick.
And welcome to Feedstock Wisdom. So one of the ways you can use actually Chatgpt in the stock market is market analysis, where the Chatgpt is now able to analyze the trends, is able to analyze what is happening in the stock market, and through that it can give you actually insights about the stock market.
Exactly. And that's a very good feature because in the stock market they have times where trends are very high, and there are times that you can invest and get crazy amount of money. So if Chatgpt can give you the correct information and tell you this is the time that you should invest, and you do that, you're going to make a fortune.
Yes. Another thing that actually you can use, another way you can use Chatgpt in the stock market is actually predictive analysis, where you find that this is a machine, so it is using machine learning, and it is now able to understand the algorithms. So you know there are some algorithms that when you see the market is going up, there's some algorithms that have actually been used. So you find that this one is now able to understand these algorithms and can give you a predictive analysis, so you can know when are the stocks going up, when are the stocks going low, and that is how you make very informed decisions.
And if Chatgpt can do that in the stock market where people can make millions, I think that's the best thing because it's an AI and stock market, they're dealing with digital money. So and the best way to get information about digital currencies is money, and money is with an artificial intelligence like ChatGPT.
And then another thing is called sentiment analysis. When we say about sentiment, you know, there's the way social media can actually tell you this company is going to sell these stocks in this, or there are so many rumors in social media. So actually you find that ChatGPT can be able to analyze social media news and tell you this legit, is this scam, which one should you follow? Should you follow this? So you see,
it's like a savior.
Because we can call it the social media savior.
We have all those rumors, and ChatGPT is just sitting there and like, go with this one. So that's pretty nice.
And then we have another one called portfolio management. We find that people, not everyone can risk 100 million. If you give me 100 million right now in stock market, I will not be able to put all of them there. So it is able, when you prompt Chatgpt, it is able now to understand your risk tolerance. So it can be able to now analyze the market, tell you and advise you accordingly, still considering your risk tolerance. So I think it's something good really that is happening using Chatgpt.
Chatgpt don't want you to go broke. So they give you the correct information according to your pocket.
Yes, and they even suggest for you suitable investments, which one should you actually, so that you don't find yourself you're burning yourself. So they will give you actually the suitable investments that you should do. And then another thing is financial education, where you find that Chatgpt actually has very vast information. And you find that there's a lot of things you can actually ask it to generate to you. And all this information, if you want to know everything regarding stock market, ask ChatGPT. It will give you.
I think it's time for Google to retire. We actually did a video about ChatGPT and Google. I think ChatGPT is taking all over.
But we also had our good advantages about Google. So maybe for you, you can just go and watch and tell us, who do you think ChatGPT?
Because I'm with ChatGPT.
You're team ChatGPT?
Yes.
ChatGPT.
Yes.
For me, I think any can do as long as they are serving the purpose. But let's hear your comment. What do you have to say? Watch that video and tell us between ChatGPT and Google, which one is going to take the medal? So those are the 5 ways that you can use actually ChatGPT in stock market, and I hope they will help you in one way or another. If you have liked the video, if you have found something very useful, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified.
Yeah, and maybe someone watched a video and they would like to invest more in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies.
In stock market.
Yeah, in stock market. You can take a course at Finstock University College where they have experts that are in these fields, and they are willing to teach you all they know about these areas to help you make a fortune with these digital currencies. So visit their website www.finstockuniversity.com or email them at info@finstockuniversity.com or call a customer care at 0703 313 722.
Yes, that is it, guys. Until next time,
Goodbye.